Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check. In my case, my Spotify one. Enter your current screen lock. And lastly, to make your password visible, select this eye next to it. So when I click, as you can see, I can finally check my password. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!